So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to use Digit to track cashback rewards. Digit isn't just for saving money, it can also help you to keep track of your cashback rewards that you earn from your credit card or bank accounts. So here's how to make the most of this feature. First, make sure that you've linked your cashback credit cards or bank accounts to Digit. Once connected, Digit continuously monitors your transactions and identifies purchases eligible for cashback rewards based, of course, on your card's reward structure. It then aggregates these rewards, giving you a clear picture of how much cashback you've earned over time. Within the Digit app, all you got to do is navigate to the rewards or cashback section to view a detailed summary. This includes your total accumulated rewards, your recent reward transactions, and even projections of potential reward based on your current spending patterns. You can also customize notifications to alert you when cashback reward hits specific thresholds. This way, you'll know the optimal time to redeem your rewards, whether it's for statement credits, direct deposits, gift cards, or other redemption option that your card offers. By tracking your cashback rewards in Digit, you gain better visibility into extra income streams, helping you to optimize your spending habits and boost your overall savings without any extra effort. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips to get the most out of Digit. See you guys in the next one.